Welcome, peckish friends, to Gina's Sunshine Kitchen. Here's your host, Gina. Howdy, friends. It's an exciting day in the Sunshine Kitchen. Today, our special guest, Sam, has a question for us. Hiya, Sam.
Hi, Gina. Can you make banana bread in a toaster oven?
Fascinating question. Let's find out. Here, I've prepared some banana bread batter. I've also gathered some chocolate chips and pecans, and our loaf pan is over there. We'll make this batter extra special by mixing in the chocolate chips and pecans. Okay, now let's put it in the oven. Let's cover up with foil. Okay, what have we got? Oh my, I think we're almost there. Okie dokie. Whoa! Hooray! Our nuts got a little bit burnt, but that's a nice color. Wow! This bread is bananas. B-A-N-A-N-A-S. I'd like to thank our special guest for visiting us today. Bye. Join us next time in the Sunshine Kitchen to find out what other small food we can make in our small oven. See you next time. Ooh, that's a lot. Okay. Oh, that's hot.